Alright, good day. I am Engineer Tolentino and I'm gonna present to you another very powerful partial fraction rule that is not written on books. Okay, so here is another rule. Okay, 1 over x minus a of x squared plus bx plus c is the same as 1 over f of a over 1 over x minus a minus x plus a plus b over f of x, where your f of x is x squared plus bx plus c. Notice that the signs here are reversed. If this is negative a, this becomes positive a. If this is positive a, this will become negative a. And then your b is here, b is there. Okay, and f of a is just the value when a is substituted with x squared plus bx plus c. Now I'll give you one example. Okay, let's have the partial fractions of 1 over x minus 3 times x squared plus 7x plus 5. So here, okay, this is, now we have to compute, this is our what? This is our f of x. We will have to compute the value when x is, rather when x is positive what? Positive 3. So all you have to do is substitute, that is x squared plus 7x plus 5. Now substitute 3, so the value is 35. So therefore this is 1 over 35. This is 1 over x minus 3, a minus x plus our a is 3 plus our b is here 7 over x squared plus 7x plus 5, and the result will just be what? 1 over 35 over what? X minus 3 minus this is x plus 7 over what? Over 35 over x squared plus 7x plus 5. Okay, or this is the same as 1 over 35 over x minus 3 minus x over 35, okay, minus 10 over 35 over x squared plus 7x plus 5. Alright, this is your equivalent partial fractions. Okay, let me solve another. Okay, this is a quite difficult one. 2x plus 5 over x plus 4x squared plus 4x plus 7. Now let's modify a little. Rewrite this as 2 times x. Okay, make this x plus 4 there. And then this is 8, subtract 3 to make it only 2x plus 5. That's 8 minus 3 is 5 over x plus 4 times x squared plus 4x plus 7. Now you see, now this will give you, this x plus 4 will cancel out, right? That will just give you 2 over x squared plus 4x plus 7 minus 3 all over x plus 4 times what? Times x squared plus 4x plus 7. Now you see, we can use this again. Okay, we can use this concept again. We will have what? Now we will have, okay, for this, so we'll just have substitute negative 4 in what? In this what? In this equation or in this function. Okay, we have x squared plus 4x plus 7. Substitute the value opposite that 4, there is negative 4. Okay, that gives you 7. So therefore, okay, this is the same as 2 over x squared plus 4x plus 7 minus 3 over 7. Okay, that is 1 over x plus 4 now, minus x plus a. Our a is, okay, our a is the opposite of, rather, our a is the opposite of 4, which is negative 4, plus our b is this one, 4 plus 4, over what? Over x squared plus 4x plus 7. And you can simplify this. This is 2 over what? 2 over x squared plus 4x plus 7, okay, minus 3 over 7 over x plus 4, and then this will cancel out. Now this will just be negative negative, plus what? Okay, plus 3 over 7x over x squared plus 4x plus 7. Okay, notice that I can combine this now, these two. This will give you negative 3 over 7 over x plus 4, plus, you combine this is 7, okay, 2 plus 3 over 7x over x squared plus 4x plus 7, and that will give you negative 3 over 7 over x plus 4, okay, plus this is just 14 plus what? 3x over 7 times x squared plus 4x plus 7. So this is now our partial fractions.